Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. We're going to take up the 80mm integral sent to me by Hobby Zone. Have a little bit of fun. Right, left, up, down, right, left. Here we go. This doesn't have, the one thing I've added to this plane besides the clear coat is afterburner, KM model afterburner. It's amazing how slow the integral can actually get and still stay stable.
Good job, Greg.
Thank you.
Flaps up.
All right, let's try this again. We're going to do some takeoff flaps this time.
Flaps up. Gear up. Gear down. Landing flaps. Time remaining 2 minutes.
I think it's about now, right?
I'm going to bring her by low and slow. There we go. Very stable plane. As far as jets go, very stable.
Flaps up.